Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is definitely inspired by my last trip to Poundland, because I feel like I found quite a few products that are like well known, and if you go to Superdrug or Boots you would definitely find them and pay also way more than what I paid for them, because let's be honest, I got all these products for just £1. I feel like this all intro is kind of confusing, but as you're gonna get into this video you will probably realize what I'm talking about. So the first product that I got is this one right here. So this one is Satin Care. It's a shave gel with aloe vera and it's from Gillette. I have my phone with me with like all the info and like all the research that I made. This bad boy, it's £1.50 at Superdrug because it's on the travel sites and I got it for £1. So I know it's not that much of a difference, it's just 50p, but I feel like everything adds up, and so I'm actually happy to be saving this 50p. The next product that I got right here is this Garnier Skin Active Moisture Bond Protect, which I honestly super duper like it. I think it's super good. I literally use this a lot and I'm honestly obsessed with it. I feel like it's gonna be super cool during the summertime as well. And I couldn't find this on the Superdrug website, so I just looked it up online, and it definitely had various prices, but I found it on Amazon for £38, which I feel like it is quite decent, but like it's definitely not gonna beat the £1. So yeah, super stoked about this one as well. And then next up I got this Femme Fresh deodorant. This one is again a travel size and it's on Superdrug for like £1.50, and I got it for £1. So again, not that much of a difference, but still super happy to be saving those 50p. Then I'm super excited about this next piece. This one is a Pantene Pro V Micellar Leave-In Spray, and I tried today before filming this video, and I'm honestly super duper obsessed with it. I think it's great, it's super light on your hair, so I really love it. And even when I saw it in Poundland I was like, okay, I need to get this. So if you look at it online you can find it on eBay, and once again it has various prices and they go between $4.49 to $9.99. So once again I'm super happy because I got this bad boy for only £1. Oh my god, I can't believe that. Then next up I got a dupe of the Bio or Bio oil. I don't know how that's pronounced in English, but I got a dupe of that. This one is called Rescue Oil. Once again I got this from Poundland. And this one is 50 milliliters, whereas the Bio oil is like 60 milliliters for like $9.99. So this one is like the dupe and it's not like the proper same thing, but like I'm pretty sure it's like literally the same thing inside, so yeah, I'm pretty stoked for that. Then I also got this one. This one is a Cherry Blossom Ready Wax Black, and I got this for my Dr. Martens, and I know that actually Dr. Martens sells something similar, which I looked it up online, and it's only £5 honestly for the Dr. Martens Cherry Shoes Polish, which is like the exact same amount of the milliliters. I'm quite actually excited to try this one up, although not gonna lie, since it's only £5, I feel like I might as well get the Dr. Martens one and give that a go, because like, you know, my dog were pretty expensive, so I don't know what I feel about this one, but it's definitely like a dupe, that's for sure. And then next up I also got this one right here. This one is Argan Oil, and it's pretty much the dupe for the Air Expertise Argan Oil that you can find at Superdrug. Now the one at Superdrug is like 100 milliliters, whereas this one just 50 milliliters, but the one at Superdrug was also $12.99, whereas this one was only £1. So yeah, pretty excited about this one. Also, I tried this already. I really love it. It says that you need to put like 2 to 3 drops. Now the thing is, I really thought it came with like a drop measurement type of thing, but it does not. So it has like a little bottle that when you open it, it's just like pure argan oil. So there's not really a way to like count the drops you use, unless you actually have a drop thingy that you can use for this product as well. but I don't have one. And I know that this is all like really confusing, so I'm gonna stop talking. These are pretty much all the beauty related stuff that I got at Poundland, and I'm honestly really surprised and really impressed with the quality. And honestly, I feel like Poundland is really stepping out its game. Now, if I would have got all these things from a drugstore such as SUPERDRUG or Boots, I would probably spend around £35 or even £40, but I've only spent £7, so I'm definitely not mad for that. And yeah, that's pretty much the end for this video. If you guys liked it, be sure to give me a big thumbs up. If you tried any of this product, tell me in the comments below what you think. And also let me know if you'd like to see a part 2, maybe in the future, who knows. And of course, other than that, if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe. I would love to be around. And yeah, see you guys next time. Bye!